Hey guys! SMAD launched the Dry Plus Plus dishwasher with multiple modes to choose from, and the advanced drying technology has attracted much attention. The first gear lasts 25 minutes. Built-in ventilation system keeps your everyday dishes fresh through air circulation for daily use. The second gear lasts 45 minutes. The dishwasher will precisely control dish temperature. Make your food stays warm longer when having lunch. The third gear lasts 60 minutes. Dishes is rinsed and disinfected, and it is more hygienic to store for a long time. Dry Plus Plus, more than just perfect drying.